Hey guys, what's up? It's Karl here, back with another episode, and of course, it's the fan favorite, the monthly tech unboxing haul. I just wanted to chat quickly about some of the winners from the previous episode. I know that a lot of you have been waiting for that. I'll display that right now on screen, so big congrats to you, but I think this will be the last episode, or that one was the last episode where I'm gonna host an actual giveaway. It's just been getting increasingly harder to manage people who claim that they're giveaway winners. For example, Karl, you won this week's episode. I will get 20 or 30 emails from Karl saying they are the same person. So I just want to keep it fair to everyone. I know that people love winning free stuff, but for the people that actually win these episodes, I just want to keep it fair for you guys. So until I manage or figure out a way to make it more fair and more legit, I will kind of put that on hiatus. And we'll start off with the first item on today's Dope Tech episode with the heaviest. And this is my brand new Ultrawide. The exact model is the 34GN850. And in case you missed my previous episode where I had a triple monitor setup of these, a lot of you did have questions. So as this is part of their Ultra Gear lineup, it's suited for, of course, gaming. So it's got a 160 Hertz refresh rate, it's got NVIDIA G-Sync, a 1 ms response time, and it is perfect for playing racing games. I'm a big F1 fan, so I do play that a lot on a triple monitor setup. You get a display inch count of around 102 inches, so you need a very long desk. So I'll leave my full video on this setup linked down below. But this has been one of the cooler and of course larger pieces of tech that's come into the studio. I hope you guys enjoy massive desk setups. The next items that came into the studio have all kind of been Apple related as well. So I'm sure you guys saw we had the brand new Apple Watch Series 6 as well as the 8th gen iPad. Quickly to the Apple Watches, on Series 6 we have the new finishes. I think I've mentioned that the blue aluminum is one of my all-time favorites, as well as the new product red. It does have the brighter always-on display, the blood oxygen sensor, which I honestly don't use too much. I really think the SE, that's the Apple Watch to get this year. It comes in at $250, I believe. So some awesome value. You're getting a year older chipset, the S5, but it isn't any slower. Apple claims it's 20%. I haven't noticed the difference between both. The only thing that might be a bit of a deal breaker is the lack of always-on display. If that doesn't matter to you, honestly, the SE is my solid pick. And with the introduction of the 8th gen iPad, we also didn't see a design change. This has the exact same design as before. The big changes are coming inside. So we have the A13 Bionic chip. I do think it's great as an entry-level iPad, but I still gravitate over towards my iPad Pro. The display is better, and now that I've used my iPad Pro as my replacement of my MacBook Air, so I get all of my productivity done here. I type out most of my emails. I use this a lot for media consumption. I think tablets are perfect for that. I do have it paired with the Magic Keyboard and case, which is the best combo. Yes, of course, it's expensive, but these two are kind of made for each other. You've got the full Magic Keyboard and the trackpad support, but I kind of wanted to show you a case that I've been using for my iPad Pro as well. And it provides a lot of protection to my iPad because I do like to remove it from the Magic Keyboard case and use it as a standalone tablet. So this one's from Pitaka. It's their new Mag Easy case, and as the name implies, it is magnetic, so it clips on. And like all Pitaka products, it has this nice carbon fiber weave on the back. It's nice and soft to touch, so the iPad isn't as slippery when you are holding it. It's got perfect cutouts on the front and of course back for all of your speaker grills, of course USB-C ports. And I think the big selling point of this case, it still works with this combo. The magnets still work and you can still have it fit perfectly into the keyboard case. It doesn't add too much extra bulk to the iPad, and you can still put the Apple Pencil on top without having to worry that it will get lost. So it's a dope new case accessory, and I'm just happy that it works with some of the Apple OEM cases as well. So it's a 2-in-1 combo. And we're gonna switch on to some accessories now. One is living on the desk here. It's this desk mat and this headphone stand. Both are from Say Techie. And for the headphone stand, it's made out of this nice space gray aluminum. I believe you can get it in silver as well. So depending on what iMac or MacBook color you have, maybe get one that matches. You can just place it on top and that kind of elevates your headphones off of a table. So it's merely for aesthetics. But the cool part, on the bottom, you can see it actually has 3 USB ports. So you can charge any of your accessories with this headphone stand. And the next thing, which is living underneath it, this of course is a desk mat. It's a faux leather finish, once again from Say Techie, and you can use it for a bunch of different things, of course, as say a mouse pad. And this is the new keyboard mouse combo that I've been using, both of course new to the studio this month. We do have the Keychron K1 mechanical keyboard. I think this has been one of the favorite pieces of tech coming in. Obviously, I might be slightly biased because it's got orange keys. Obviously, we're surrounded by all things orange. It's my sickly addiction. But for this keyboard, you can get it in different color keys depending how loud you want it. I've just gone for red keys. I'm not too big of a fan of RGB lighting or some of the gaming keyboards, so this combines a nice aesthetic. It looks super simple, but still has the benefits of a mechanical keyboard. The new mouse that I've been using is a new addition from Logitech. This just came out. It's the new MX Anywhere 3. I would normally say that these are great for traveling, but I don't think anyone's really doing that at the moment. But if you do need a mouse that switches from room 1 to 2, you have an office somewhere and you want to take this to, say, your bedroom, this is always small enough to carry around. I do think it's a bit on the small side, but if you do want an ergonomic mouse that's still small and compact, maybe the Anywhere is a good option for you. So the last piece of tech on today's episode is a piece of home tech. You can see that it's the 360 robot vacuum cleaner. I finally have something to help me clean here in the studio. So as the name implies, it is a little robot vacuum cleaner. It's great because I can set it to start here in the studio, and when I come back in the morning, it'll have vacuumed my entire place. You'll just have to download the corresponding app to get it set up, and from there you can plan out the route of the vacuum. Just make sure to take out all big boxes and all heavy things off of the floor before this does start. So in addition to just being a vacuum cleaner, it actually has a small component that actually sprays out water, so it kind of clears out the gunk. It uses this hard bristle brush. We've got some masala coffee that we'll sprinkle on the desk. We'll show off a little demo. Now it's doing a little 360, kind of mapping out its floor. Good, that's good. Get to the masala. You just got one straight line to get there. Yeah, nice. So you can see here in the dustbin, that's where it removed all of our coffee. So yeah, obviously it works. It was great because it tracked the edge of this table. It didn't go over, thankfully break everything. But yeah, that I kind of guess wraps up today's episode. I will include this coffee that we had on it as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. And remember, for the giveaway stuff, I do want to make things super fair. So if you can think of a way that people don't spam me with emails. But if you've just got any suggestions, let me know, because I do want to keep rewarding you guys for, of course, watching my content. I just want to make it more legit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, and I will catch the rest of you in one of my next vids or vlogs. Peace.